If you've been applying to the UK, Canada, the US, and other popular countries, and all you're getting is silence, rejection emails, or no response at all, then this video is for you, because sometimes when doors keep closing, it is not rejection, it is redirection. Today, I'm going to be showing you a small but extremely powerful European country that most people are not talking about, yet it is one of the richest countries in the world, and it is actively hiring foreign workers right now. I'll be breaking down high demand jobs, the visa options, who can apply, the required documents, and where to find real job opportunities with sponsorship. So stay with me till the end, because this might be another amazing opportunity that changes everything in 2026. Hey guys, welcome again to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe, because on this channel we share real opportunities abroad, jobs, visas, study options, and practical guidance to help you build a better future outside your home country. So guys, let's get right into the video. The country we're talking about today is Luxembourg. Luxembourg is a small European country, but again, don't let the size fool you. It consistently ranks as one of the richest countries in the world based on income per person. Now, Luxembourg is part of the European Union, and it is also one of the founding countries of the EU. And Luxembourg is located between France, Germany, and Belgium. Here is something most people don't know about. Over half of Luxembourg's population are foreigners. That means it is highly multicultural. English is widely used in professional settings, and employers are already used to hiring international workers. So this is one of the reasons Luxembourg is far more open to foreign talent than many popular countries. Okay, now listen to this. Why should you even consider applying to Luxembourg? You might be asking. Okay, first of all, high salaries. Luxembourg pays some of the highest wages in Europe, even for entry and mid-level roles. Secondly, worker protection and benefits. Healthcare, job security, and paid leave, all of these are strongly regulated. Thirdly, small population but big demand. Luxembourg has a population of around 600,000 people, which is extremely small for such a strong economy. So because of these, employers constantly look outside the country to fill labor shortages. Okay, and now this is where you come in. Okay, all right, let's talk about the jobs Luxembourg needs right now. That is the jobs that they are currently seeking for workers right now, and I mean foreign workers. The first is going to be in finance and accounting. So Luxembourg is a major financial hub in Europe, and of course the high demand roles include accountants, auditors, financial analysts, investment professionals, and secondly, or up next, I'm going to be talking about IT and technology sector. Now, this is one of the biggest opportunities for foreigners in Luxembourg. The roles here include software developers, cybersecurity specialists, IT support technicians, data analysts, network engineers. Now, this is one of the major ones again, which is the healthcare sector. Now, healthcare workers are always in demand. Now, for example, I'm talking about nurses, doctors, caregivers, medical technicians. Please note that, again, this is my regular statement on my channel. If you've been following, you would hear me call this out almost on all my videos, right? That has to do with European countries. Some healthcare roles require basic French or German, especially patient-facing jobs. You get what I mean? So if you have to work as a nurse, or if you have to go into any health-related sector in Luxembourg, please learn German or French. It's going to help you, okay? Up next, I'm going to be talking about engineering. Those in the engineering sector, if you are a mechanical engineer, an electrical engineer, or a civil engineer, of course, there are jobs waiting for you here in Luxembourg. Okay, let's talk about logistics and supply chain. This is an amazing one. You know what? Due to Luxembourg's location in Europe, there are warehouses they are in need of, warehouse coordinators, truck drivers, and supply chain planners. So if you know this is one of the things that you are into, please make sure you apply. Okay, I'm going to be leaving the links to the website on the description so you can apply using all of this information provided in the video. Up next, I'm going to be talking about hospitality and tourism. This is another wonderful sector. So here they have chefs. They are in need of chefs, hotel staff, cleaners, restaurant workers. So again, this one might be a little bit competitive and a little bit seasonal based on, summer and when people are likely more tendable to go for vacations. Okay, so this one is likely going to be a seasonal job offer. Now I'm going to be talking about skilled trades. This is very, very important. Now listen to me. If you are an electrician, plumber, construction worker, or a technician, please make sure you apply. Don't sleep on this one. Okay, all right. Okay, up next, I'm going to be talking to you about the visa types that are available. This is very important. Now, they have the single permit. This covers work and residence. So this is the most common route for non-EU citizens. This particular type of visa and permit allows you to live and work legally in Luxembourg. Now, secondly, they have the EU blue card. Okay, Germany has this as well, and it is common among the European countries. Now, for this particular one, this is for highly skilled professionals from the sectors I've mentioned just now. You would find out that those in demand, which are mostly in IT and healthcare, are most likely to get the EU blue card. Okay, so for example, highly skilled professionals in terms of university degree or recognized professional certification, or probably those that would work where your salary is in a higher range. Okay, higher salary threshold. Yeah, that's what I mean. Okay, now the third one, or the third type of visa, is a seasonal work permit, like I mentioned earlier, right? And this is best for opportunities in agriculture, tourism, and hospitality. Okay, now number 4, I'm going to be talking about this other particular type of visa called intra-company transfer. So if your company transfers you from another country to Luxembourg, so even if you are watching this video from Canada, UK, United States, or anywhere in another European country, you can apply through this visa route. Okay, now number 5 type of visa is going to be the business or the entrepreneur visa. Now this one is for people that want to start a business in Luxembourg. Okay, all right, now I'm going to be talking about another most important section of this video, which is the eligibility requirements. So for you to qualify, you generally need a valid job offer from a Luxembourg employer. So this is where application comes in. Okay, apply as much as you can, apply to as many as you can. Okay, and again, to qualify, secondly, you need relevant skills. Skills, very important. Experience or qualifications are necessary. Okay, and you know what this would do? This would keep you at a very top priority scale. So you'd be at the very top priority scale, whereby the recruiters or the agencies that are hiring, that is looking at your application, would consider you first before others. So if you have relevant skills or the experience for whatever sector you're applying into, this would keep you on the top priority level for each of the recruiters. Okay, now up next, the other requirements that you'd need would be a clean police clearance, very, very important. You'd need a valid health insurance, a valid passport, and of course, like I said, experience is very important. If you have experience, it's super important. Qualifications, certifications, very important. Probably vocational training with experience, very important as well. Now, some jobs may require credential recognition or language skills. Please keep an eye on the description of each of the jobs that you're applying to. Okay, so now let's talk about where to find those jobs. Where do you find those real jobs that we're talking about? Now, the official government portal. Okay, it's called the ADEM Luxembourg. ADEM Luxembourg. This is a public employment service. I'm going to be leaving the link to this portal on the description. Do well to check that. Okay, and remember to join our membership. Again, memberships will be enjoying some perks very soon. Okay, currently we just have one member, and I'm just waiting because of course she has access to my Instagram. It is just one person. So if you know that you would like to get personalized videos, guidance, consultations from this channel, don't forget to click join on the membership from this channel. And once in a while, we're going to be scheduling lives for only members of the platform, and also one-on-one section for members where you connect with other members that are also seeking for opportunities. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's going to be the benefits that members will be getting as soon as we have a good number of that. Okay, so the second website I'm going to be talking about would be couple of job websites in particular. So I first mentioned the Public Employment Service in Luxembourg, which is the official government portal. Again, it is ADEM, ADEM. Now, the following job website I'll be calling would be the first one, jobs.lu, which is jobs.lu, as in the short form of Luxembourg, jobs.lu. Then number 2 would be Movie Job. This is another important website you want to look at. Okay, another important job website. The third one would be Indeed Luxembourg is very, very, very helpful. Please update your profile on Indeed Luxembourg. Now, LinkedIn Jobs is another one. Update your profile on your LinkedIn, filter to Luxembourg, and apply. Now we have Monster Luxembourg. Don't worry, I'll leave all the links again. Okay, I'll keep the links so you can apply. Now, please always filter. This is an important tip. Always filter for international applicants, relocation assistance, visa sponsorship. This will help ease your search and help you get that particular keyword that you're looking for in terms of visa sponsorship, work permit available, support, relocation assistance available. You get what I mean? Yeah. Now, how do you know if a company sponsors visas? So again, look for keywords like we hire globally, non-EU candidates are welcome, visa sponsorship available, relocation package open, or you might have questions like, are you open to relocating, or are you open to getting a work permit, are you open to working from your home country, something like this. So keep an eye on this, okay? And do not be afraid to reach out to recruiters on LinkedIn and even on Indeed, okay? All right, now also multinational companies are also more likely to sponsor visas. I'm going to be calling them, for example, Amazon, Deloitte, PwC, Vodafone, financial institutions. You can also ask politely via email. Okay, mention that you need visa sponsorship, or you would like to have visa sponsorship clearly in your cover letter so that they do your expectations. All right. Okay, now the documents you will need, very important. Documents you would need to apply would be your passports, the Europass format CV. Please, Europass format CV. Check for Luxembourg type on Google, use the format, make your CV, okay? And always tailor your CV to each of the job descriptions or job applications that you're applying to, or whatever job position you're applying to, okay? Now, you need, again, I'll start from scratch, your passport, the Europass format CV, a job offer letter that you must have gotten from a Luxembourg employer, educational certificates, police clearance, health insurance, okay? Now, some documents might need translation into French or German depending on the job description, okay? All right, if you found this video helpful, please like it. This helps the algorithm push it to others who need it. Please share this with someone, your friend, family, relative who is tired or who's tired of applying to the UK or Canada with no result. Okay, make sure to subscribe because regularly I share real opportunities here and also updates for those that are looking to study abroad, especially in Portugal. All right, so guys, I want to wish you all a happy new year and a blessed year ahead. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a good one. Bye.